Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Pay with Capital One Venture X easy method step by step clearly. To begin using Apple Pay with your Capital One Venture X card, first, ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Next, locate the Wallet app on your device and tap to open it. Once in the Wallet app, tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. You will be prompted to either use the camera to scan your card or enter your information manually. If you choose to scan, position your Capital One Venture X card within the frame until it recognizes the details. If entering manually, fill out your card number, expiration date, and security code as requested. After entering your card information, tap Next to proceed. You may need to verify your identity by receiving a one-time passcode via text or email from Capital One. Enter the verification code in the designated field within the Wallet app. Once verified, tap Agree to accept the terms and conditions. Your Capital One Venture X card will now be added to your Apple Wallet. To make a purchase using Apple Pay, look for the contactless payment symbol at checkout. Double-click the side button on your iPhone to access Apple Pay. If prompted, authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your iPhone near the payment terminal until you see a confirmation checkmark. Now you have successfully used Apple Pay with your Capital One Venture X card. Enjoy the convenience and security of making payments with just a tap of your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.